Your booking link. One link you can share anywhere. Copy it from your dashboard and add it to every platform your customers already use. Google Maps, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or your own website. Customers searching locally find you on Google Maps and book with one tap, right from your business profile. Share the link in a WhatsApp chat. Customers book in 60 seconds without leaving the conversation. Add it to your Instagram bio or Facebook page. Your followers are one tap away from booking. Or embed the booking widget on your own website with a single line of code. Works with Squarespace, WordPress, Wix, or any site. One link, every channel. Reserv now.